Here's how to type in Photopea. In the left sidebar, equip the Type tool. And then hover over your image and left click and drag to create a text box for your text. You can then type the desired text on your keyboard. The default font color of the text is black. This is why you can barely see the text for now. To change that, simply double click on your text to highlight it, and then on top here, click on the color square and adjust the color accordingly. So for example, we could change it to white here, and then we click on OK. Now deselect your text by clicking on the Move tool right here in the left sidebar. And as you can see, we now see our text here in white. To edit your text, simply double click on it, and you will then find the Type toolbar here on top. So for example, you can change the size right here. You can adjust the font right here if wanted, and we could also center the text within our text box by clicking here on this symbol right here. To move your text box, simply hover over it and then left click and hold, and then drag. And that's it guys, this is how you type in Photopea. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Photopea tutorials.